Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Acer Aspire 3A315-2 4P-R7VH, a budget-friendly laptop with some impressive specs for everyday use. It's got an AMD Ryzen 3 processor, a full HD IPS display, and comes in a sleek, portable design. But is it worth your money? Let's dive in and find out. First up, the design. The Acer Aspire 3 has a simple, no-frills look with a matte finish that resists fingerprints. It's lightweight at just 3.92 pounds and slim enough to easily slip into a backpack. The build is mostly plastic, which keeps the cost down, but it still feels sturdy for daily use. You get a decent selection of ports: USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack. Great for peripherals. The keyboard is comfortable for typing, and the touchpad is responsive, though it's not a premium glass surface. Display and audio. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is one of the highlights here. Colors are vibrant, viewing angles are solid, and it's great for streaming, browsing, or light photo work. It's not the brightest panel out there, but for indoor use, it's perfectly fine. The speakers are, okay, they're bottom firing, so don't expect deep bass, but they're loud enough for casual videos. For better sound, I'd recommend headphones or external speakers. Performance and specs under the hood. This Aspire 3 packs an AMD Ryzen 37320U quad-core processor with Radeon graphics and 8 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. For everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, and even light multitasking, it runs smoothly under the hood. This Aspire 3 packs an AMD Ryzen 3732U quad-core processor with Radeon graphics and 8 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM. For everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, and even light multitasking, it runs smoothly. Battery life and software. Battery life is decent, around 6 to 7 hours of mixed use. Not the best, but enough for a work or school day with moderate use. It comes with Windows 11 Home and S mode, which means you can only install apps from the Microsoft Store. Luckily, you can switch out of S mode for free if you need full Windows functionality. Overall, the Acer Aspire 3A315-24 P-R7VH is a great budget laptop for students, casual users, or anyone who needs a reliable machine for everyday tasks. If you need more storage or power, you might want to look at higher-end models, but for under $400, this is a solid pick. What do you think? Would you buy this laptop? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.